guys, today I'm going to talk about how this thingy works. So this is called an air conditioner, and this is a condenser unit. So there's coils in here, go round, and there's also a fan, right? Like I saw it, and it sucks through here, and then it blows out the top right here. So it's on right now. See only how all these coils are bent? See how these are bent? Try to take care of your air conditioner and not try to make them not bent. That's the outside unit. There's also compressor here. Like that big thingy. How an air conditioner works. I mean, condenser unit. And right here, the cold line, freezing cold, but this is a warm line. Let me just. Okay. Now I'm gonna see you. Now I'm gonna see you in the basement, where the air handler furnace. Okay, we're right in here. Here's our air handler. Turn the light on. There. If you can go look at that. This is an air handler. Air combine. I think that's what it's air combine. Yeah, that's what it is. Right next to the water heater. So that has a blower somewhere. There's a blower right here for like the exhaust gas. For the front, but I'm just not on right now. Fall. So that is the blower down there, and now the and also, that's the return duct vent thing. These go to the vent for all those piping things. Now, you back up to the return duct. Actually, no, I need a screw to come in. They come in right there. So, if you saw that, you're lucky. Okay, I'm gonna see you to the return duct behind the love seat. Okay, so this is the return duct. That's where all the hot air goes in. Now on top where it's really wet. I'll show you an outlet. So here's an outlet where all the cold air comes out. Cold air coming down. It's really cool. So next, I like showing how things work. If you want me to, 4 minutes only. So make sure to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell, even though I don't even know where it is. What even is a notification bell? And subscribe. Oh, I already said that. Subscribe, like. I should say a proper one. Like, subscribe, guys. Guess what? If you get to 50, I'm gonna make a video called Honk. Actually, I don't know. So, I'll see you at the next work thing. I'm probably gonna film it today too. Probably gonna film the next video today, so try to get my videos caught up by making ultra real videos today. So bye.